a handheld. There's no power cords, so you've no restrictions where you go in the house to use this. But yeah, look at that. You've actually got the power of a corded vacuum cleaner. Don't be put off by the fact that it's under £100. Remember, Morphy Richards make affordable, quality products for everybody to use in their house.
You know, the worst thing about working here at QVC is that you just want everything, and you see so many good things. I really think there's something very compact and neat about this, something massively powerful, very stylish. And the fact we talked earlier, and I said to you, so would it be a second one within a home? And you said, well, depending on the size of your home, it could easily be a main vacuum.
When I first saw it, I've got to be honest with you, I thought, do you know what a great little second vac.
Yeah.
And then I started to use it, and you'll see in a second, because we're going to do some pretty heavy jobs on carpet. And I thought, do you know what? If you've got a smaller house or something, it's great for that. This is how to empty it, look, and it's so easy to empty. If you push
clean when you are. It recharges in 4 hours, 4 times faster than a nickel metal battery, and maintains superior suction power and fade-free performance throughout vacuuming. An extended runtime of up to 21 minutes provides longer cleaning with fewer interruptions. Electrolux skillfully engineered this vacuum to easily clean both bare floors and low-pile carpets in less time. Ergo Rapido's cordless design and 180-degree easy steer swivel head swiftly twists and turns around furniture in your home. And the detachable handheld vacuum cleans upholstery and countertops in one smooth motion. A crevice tool and dusting brush are stored in the vacuum's handle for easy access, so you can clean crevices, stairs, or above floor.
That falls out when you're working on it and putting in wood and tending to the fire, and then stuff down here caught into the grooves and the grout too. So some pretty big pieces, as well as a lot of little fine pieces and some sticks. And so let's give the Whole Life vacuum cleaner a little shot here.
And here's the Dyson. Now Dyson also has a max button over here, or a min button. So right now that's at max. And here is the regular mode. So that's the low power mode. And the
The vacuum's really light to use, really good swivel movements, so you can actually get underneath furniture really well, and it lies all the way flat as well, so you can go under your bed.
Picks up really good.
Alright, and we'll come over here on the carpet and I'll show you what it can do on carpet, which it's equally as impressive on carpet as it is in hardwood. So come on over.
Welcome to 100review.com. We provide a holistic and unbiased review to you. We cover all categories of products and helping you to select the right products and pay attention to the details before buying. Drop us a message if you have any questions. Thank you.